Once you see the incredible uses of coconut oil, you won't believe how useful it is. If you like this video, click the like button and leave me a comment below. It is a perfect ingredient to use for aesthetic purposes. It is organic, very moisturizing, can be used for many purposes and smells great. There is research like this one from 2014 that confirms its great benefits. But first of all, we must make a very important clarification. It is necessary to buy extra virgin coconut oil, since there are also other oils on the market that do not have the same properties as the organic one. Would you like to know the uses of coconut oil for beauty? 1. Coconut oil is a moisturizing body cream. Many of the moisturizers available on the market have a high water content and other chemical compounds that, when applied, make the skin feel moisturized and soft. However, as the hours go by, the water evaporates and we notice how the skin becomes dry again. In contrast, essential oils deeply moisturize and keep the skin soft for longer. Coconut oil is one of the best natural moisturizers we can find for skincare. As stated in the study cited above, coconut's properties moisturize, soften and, incidentally, help remove dead skin cells. This prevents premature skin aging. 2. Exfoliant. Coconut oil is a good ally to deeply cleanse the skin and get rid of dead cells that accumulate day by day. You can prepare your own exfoliant for face and body with coconut oil. Here are the indications of a traditional recipe to make it. Use 1 part coconut oil with 2 parts brown sugar or salt. Put the coconut oil on low heat and, once it gets hot, you should pour the sugar or salt into the pot and stir constantly for 2 minutes. Keep the sugar from melting. Before this happens, remove from the heat, let it sit for a few minutes and apply it on the skin you want to exfoliate. For best results, it is recommended to use exfoliating gloves. You can buy them in stores or drugstores. 3. Hair conditioner. Coconut oil works as an excellent hair conditioner, especially for women who have thick, dry hair. On the other hand, it is often said that women with fine, oily hair should avoid using this product. However, there is not much evidence to confirm that this is the case. The most widespread application over time consists of wetting the hair and applying coconut oil from mid-length to the ends. In other words, it should not be applied to the roots. Preferably, it is left to act for 30 minutes and then rinsed with plenty of water. 4. Coconut oil to fight acne. According to dermatologist Jeanette Graff of Allure magazine, coconut oil has lauric acid, a substance potentially capable of fighting acne-causing bacteria. However, Graff claims that this product has worked for some patients, but it's not entirely proven. It's worth a try. Additionally, it is also said in the cited study that coconut oil possesses anti-inflammatory properties that help improve the appearance of wound scars. 5. Makeup remover. If you want to moisturize your facial skin and eyelashes while removing excess makeup, coconut oil can be a good ally. This product, according to many publications specialized in cosmetology, but not scientifically proven, is used to remove those excesses of mascara that are usually waterproof. To do this, simply moisten a cotton pad with coconut oil and wipe the face and eyelids. 6. Coconut oil to prevent stretch marks. If you are planning to lose weight or are pregnant, keep in mind that stretch marks may appear as a result. If you want to prevent them, applying coconut oil to the areas most prone to stretch marks, breasts, abdomen, buttocks, arms, etc., may help. Consult your doctor before doing so, and ask him/her to also indicate the frequency of use. It is also used in cases of chafing on the thighs or even for the treatment of irritations in the anal area due to hemorrhoids. For all these reasons, coconut oil is essential in your medicine cabinet. If you liked the video, like it and leave me a comment below.